Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to send photos and video that disappear after they are opened on WhatsApp. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for send a private picture or video someone through WhatsApp, but you also want to let that person not save that picture or video whenever he open, and let that not appear after he exit from that photo or video. So in order to do that, you need to open your WhatsApp application, and for example I want to send a picture this person, and I want to make that whenever he is opening the picture and not let that picture again appear or saved in his phone. So for that you need to click this plus icon and then click here photos and video library, and then for example I want to send this picture, and I want to let this person whenever open this picture and whenever he go exit from this picture, that picture is not going to be saved in his WhatsApp. Even if he want to reopen this picture, that's not going to be appear. So anyway, if you want to do that, you need to click this number one. So if you click one, you can see it's a photo set to view one time, and also you can type here something like check this, and then if you click send, that person, the picture is going to be sent him, and now whenever he's going to be open this picture, that picture is going to be appear one time. Even if he try to reopen that picture, that's not going to be reopened. So within this simple way, you can easily send photo as video that disappear after they are opened one times in WhatsApp. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.